Hello boys and girls, welcome today to a new video. In today's clip I'm gonna talk to you a bit about the milestone my bike had. It's just passed the 10,000 miles marker, sorry, and yeah, she's gonna get some new updates. First of all, I wanna tell you about what happened in the last 8,000 miles that we've been together, except a minor crash. There was nothing wrong with the bike, absolutely nothing. She just had a service at 9,000 miles, literally just basic oil, fluids, not even the original brake pads needed to be changed. They're still over 60%, so I'm really happy with it. I'm really happy with the bike. So passing 10,000 miles, I said why not, I'll do something nice to her, treat her nice, because as you know, you've probably seen the videos or talked to me. I was looking left and right to see what other bikes are out there and what can I actually get and like, by the way. And yeah, I mean, yeah, there are a lot of bikes. They cost a lot of money, but they didn't feel to me like he's got so many things that my bike doesn't. He's got enough power that I need, even though it's only a 750. He's got 115 horses, which is more than enough, especially with me. I'm committing a lot, and when you're going out having some fun on the twisties, it's a beast. I mean, when you're going on the twisties, it's not just the speed that the bike is making, it's just the way you put it down, the way you take corners, and this thing just corners superb. And yeah, on my test rides that I had with the other bikes, I've noticed I would like two things, well, three actually, but only two for now. The first one, which is the most important one, is going to be a quick shifter. I mean, after you've done the quick shifter, you know how it is. It's just something you want to have on your bike. Even though you don't have it, you can now have an aftermarket quick shifter fitted. They don't come standard anyway, or not even fitted by Suzuki, as far as I know. And yeah, we'll get her a quick shifter, plus even though it sounds nice, sorry, she's going to get a full decat system. Everything is being sorted out by Waltham Cross Motorcycles. Well, in Waltham Cross. These are the guys I go for everything I do on my bike, including services, including any other changes, tyre changes, whatever. I just do my chain loop and clean up the bike. That's it. That's all I do. I just want to know that my bike is in perfect condition whenever I go. And yeah, head up to them. They might get you a good deal. They might be sorting your bike even better or cheaper. You never know. Head down to Waltham Cross Motorcycle. And by the way, they sorted me out with a courtesy bike. I don't know what it is so far. I wouldn't mind with a scooter, to be fair, because I never ridden a scooter before, so why not? New experience. Welcome back, guys. This is my courtesy bike from Waltham Cross Motorcycle, and I can't be any happier to test it. It is the new 2021 Suzuki GSX S1000, and I want to see how does it compare to the old one. I have ridden the old one for a bit, and I've test ridden the Katana, for a bit more. I like the sitting position on this one. The seat is slightly... oh, brakes are good. They kept the Brembo brakes on the front, the Nissans on the back. So smooth, and the power, as you can actually see, it's got a lot more power than my 750. Let's enjoy this bike for a couple of days. As you can see, they kept the old mirrors, which are good enough. They're not too bad. They kept the stocks in here, the same ones. Only difference is on this side they've got the kill switch, which starts the engine as well. They used to have a different button here, but now they've got the same button. They've got a new different gauge system, and I want to see it. I want to see what it does. I'll stop in later on and have a look on it. Quick shifter, mate, the quick shifter. This is the beast. This is just a beast when it takes off. Mine, the 750 is more approachable bike. If you're reading one of these, you probably notice the same position. Slightly lean forward. They've got the pegs at the back, so it's not like your MT or the CB. This is not a straight up position. You should have been here, because the bars are so low that you're gonna have to lean a bit, which is not inconvenient for me. 2021 model, they have the S1000 and the S950. Don't know how that happened, because they used to have the 750, which was basically a 115cc bike, 150 horsepower bike, sorry. And this one used to be what, nearly 150. So now this one is 150, and that one is an A2 compliant bike, put it this way, if you want to restrict it to an A2 category license. Because the jump they've had to make is from a 125 to a 750, and they probably thought about, oh, our customer might want to see a different displacement between jumping from a learner's bike to a bigger bike. I'll just stop here for a second and have a quick look on the bike. They have kept the same engine, but the frame does look a bit changed to me. I might be wrong, but I don't think I am now. I would prefer the pegs to be in a black color as well, the phantom color, the black, dark black, or matte black. Done a little bit of design there. As I was saying, the difference between the old one and this one is the actual switch. When you start your engine, you have a button here, but the rest of it is the same. This cluster are exactly the same. It needs an exhaust. It's definitely gonna need an exhaust, this one. I can't imagine having it without the exhaust. Rear tail seat looks identical to mine for some reason. I'm guessing it's not much of a difference they've made on it. This one, as you can see, is slightly wider. Just gives you a bit more protection on the side, I'm guessing. Front of the bike, new headlights with the LED signals. What can I say? I hope it grows into me. Don't get fooled by this. They're not the Orleans folks. They KYB. It's just they do like to put some gold paint on them for some reason. Otherwise, except the quick shifter, bike is the same. They like the previous model, they haven't done the adjustable levers on the clutch, only on the front brake. New Dunlop tyres, 190 at the back, 120 at the front. Not even a slight difference from the previous model. A tail hardly will do some point. No makers. Well, I'm just having to buy for a couple of days, and that's gonna be it. What about the dash? I don't know. There's so many buttons that I don't know how to use them. There are too many buttons. It's just these buttons I don't know how to use. We'll edit this spot on the clip. Now what I want to do is I want to go on the motorway for a bit, see how it feels without any wind protection. I've got no windscreen, I've got no nothing, and we're just going to go on the motorway for a little bit, see how the wind protection is on it without any screen. The wind lifting 86 miles an hour. I got no protection. The wind is here, the wind is there, the wind is everywhere. Flick so easy, just like it. I like it. I do prefer it to the BMW S1000 that I've been reading recently. It's just a more fun bike. Oh, hello. That was a speed bump, quite big. The handlebars just turned slightly. I was like, oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, you was it? Yeah, so don't get me wrong, yeah, the BMW S1000i, it's a good bike. It's got more power, it's got more keys, more gadgets, whatever, but in terms of day-to-day riding, this is unbelievably good. I'd say it's a better bike, it's better than mine. It's got more power, it's a new version, it's got the kit that I want to that I'm putting on mine now, like the quickshifter. It's got the LED front lights, which it makes it a lot easier to see at night. And yeah, I'll have this bike. I'll have it. I should have taken this. That's it. I'll take the next one. This is what happens when you have fun on a bike. Yeah.
One light like this.
Back to Waltham Cross Motorcycles. I just had a phone call. Your bike is ready to be picked up. I can't be more excited than picking my bike up. Bye bye, baby. Hello, love. nice to have you back. Let's see what this guy's done to you. So I just had my decat system and the quickshifter fitted, and we shall go for a test run. Amazing! I've done 200 yards and I already love it. Good to have you back, baby. Once again, Waltham Cross Motorcycle, they've done a really good job. Really good job. Honestly, I'm speechless. I was speechless for the last 10 minutes. I was just enjoying the sound of it and the way it feels. It just feels like a different bike to me now, and I fell in love with the bike once more. Loving it. Probably the best investment I've ever made to this bike. It's just I can't explain it properly. It just changed my perspective on the bike. The actual proper mod I've made to a bike, and now they're gonna have to keep on coming. I've got a couple in my mind now. Slightly bigger rear sprocket, a heavy duty chain. I'm thinking of getting a stunt cage on it. Just give it the bike that look.